Thank you for trusting Tibet Vista with your once-in-a-lifetime Tibet journey. Throughout the years, we have shared countless unforgettable moments together. Moments filled with warmth, touching, excitement, and full of surprises. These precious memories are deeply rooted in our hearts and beyond words to express. Thank you for your support for Tibet tourism and for being a part of our story. Every year, more than 6,000 travelers join in our Everest small group trips. Over 1,800 families and private groups travel with us on customized journeys. And we have earned a total of over 10,000 plus 5-star reviews across TripAdvisor and various social media platforms. Your trust has also brought us great honors. We have been recognized with multiple awards from the Tibet Tourism Bureau, covering outstanding route design, premium service, and excellent brand reputation. But numbers and awards are not the whole story. What truly moves us is something more simple and sincere. It's hearing you say, "Thank you. I will come back, and I will tell my friends to travel with
has
me."
been incredible for me.
Thank you again for Tibet Vista.
Introduce it to our friends and family.
I'd like to highly recommend Tibet Vista.
I can highly recommend the service here. It's like amazing.
Your feedback means so much to us. Your praise, your suggestions, and even your criticism helps us grow every day. You inspire us to improve every detail, so your next journey can be even better. We know that traveling on the plateau is not always easy. There are permit worries, itinerary changes, altitude concerns, and long drives. Thank you for trusting us with all of this. In the coming year, we will honor that trust with even greater care. We will offer closer support with one-on-one help before your trip and 24/7 service along the way. We will also bring you more authentic Tibetan experiences through deeper connections with the local communities. Please keep sharing your feelings with us. Tell us what touched you and what we can do better. Every message from you helps shape a brighter journey ahead. May the new year be gentle and full of joy. And may we meet again soon at the top of the world. You make everything we do meaningful. Thank you for traveling with us. See you in 2026.